When it comes to enhancing your Southlake home's exterior, outdoor lighting is one of the most effective ways to create a welcoming atmosphere, improve security, and showcase your landscaping. But as with any home improvement project, deciding between a DIY outdoor lighting installation or hiring a professional can be a tough choice. While DIY lighting projects can be cost-effective, hiring a professional can offer a level of expertise and peace of mind that is hard to match. In this article, we'll explore the pros and cons of both DIY outdoor lighting and professional installation, helping you decide which option is best suited for your needs, budget, and goals. Cost consideration. One of the most obvious factors when deciding between DIY and professional outdoor lighting installation is cost. DIY projects are often seen as a way to save money, but it's essential to understand the potential hidden costs that come with doing it yourself. DIY outdoor lighting. The initial cost of DIY outdoor lighting is typically lower, as you only need to purchase the materials, lighting fixtures, wiring, and other necessary supplies. There are no labor fees involved, so the upfront investment is generally more affordable. You also have the flexibility to buy lower-cost fixtures or even repurpose existing lighting elements. Hiring a professional. The cost of hiring a professional will be higher, as you're paying for both the materials and the installation labor. However, professionals bring expertise to the table, ensuring that you get the most value out of your lighting system with proper installation, wiring, and design. While the upfront cost is more significant, the long-term benefits often justify the investment, especially when you consider energy-efficient options and proper lighting placement. Skill and expertise. The complexity of installing outdoor lighting is another factor to consider. While it may seem simple, proper installation requires knowledge of electrical wiring, design principles, and safety measures. DIY outdoor lighting. If you have experience with electrical work and home improvement projects, a DIY outdoor lighting installation can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. There are plenty of tutorials and guides available online that walk you through the process step by step. However, even simple mistakes in wiring or design could lead to malfunctioning lights, electrical hazards, or damage to your property. Hiring a professional. Licensed electricians or professional lighting installers bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to your project. They can help design the layout, ensuring that the lighting enhances your home's architecture, landscaping, and functionality. Professionals are also trained in proper wiring and safety protocols, reducing the risk of electrical issues or fire hazards. With a professional installation, you can trust that your lighting system will be safe, functional, and effective. Time and convenience. Time is another critical consideration when it comes to installing outdoor lighting. DIY projects often take longer to complete, especially if you don't have prior experience with electrical systems or lighting design. DIY outdoor lighting. The time commitment for a DIY project can vary depending on the scope of the lighting installation. If you're planning to install several fixtures and handle all the wiring and setup yourself, the process can take a considerable amount of time. You'll need to allocate time for purchasing materials, planning the design, and troubleshooting any issues that arise. Hiring a professional. Hiring a professional allows the installation to be completed quickly and efficiently. Experts have the tools and skills necessary to finish the job in a timely manner, often in just a few hours or days, depending on the complexity of the project. With a professional, you don't need to worry about the logistics or workmanship, allowing you to focus on enjoying your outdoor space rather than stressing over the installation process. Design and aesthetic appeal. Outdoor lighting is about more than just illuminating your yard. It's also about creating an ambiance and highlighting your home's best features. A poor lighting design can leave areas of your property either too bright or too dark, while the right design can elevate your entire outdoor living space. DIY outdoor lighting. When installing lighting yourself, you may not have the expertise to create the most effective lighting design. Improper placement of lights can result in areas being overlit or underlit, diminishing the aesthetic value of your outdoor space. Additionally, DIY lighting projects often lack the polish and cohesion that professionals bring, leading to a less refined final result. Hiring a professional. A lighting professional brings design expertise to the table. They will work with you to understand your preferences, your home's architecture, and the specific areas you want to highlight. Professionals can create a lighting design that is both functional and beautiful, ensuring that your outdoor lighting complements your landscaping, home, and lifestyle. They will consider factors like light intensity, color temperature, and placement to create the perfect atmosphere. Maintenance and troubleshooting. After installation, all lighting systems require ongoing maintenance to ensure they continue to perform properly. One of the challenges of DIY installation is addressing issues that arise over time. DIY outdoor lighting. If you install the lighting yourself, you may be responsible for troubleshooting any problems that occur, such as malfunctioning lights, faulty wiring, or fuse issues. Without professional expertise, you may find it difficult to identify and fix these problems quickly. Hiring a professional. Many professionals offer warranties or maintenance services as part of the installation package. This ensures that if any issues arise, you can rely on the installer to address them promptly. Additionally, professionals can help you choose energy-efficient options and recommend regular maintenance schedules to keep your system running smoothly. Conclusion. Choosing between DIY outdoor lighting and hiring a professional in Southlake depends on your specific needs, budget, and the complexity of the project. While DIY installations offer a lower initial cost and can be a fun project for those with the right skills, hiring a professional provides peace of mind, expertise, and a high-quality finished product. For those who want a beautiful, safe, and long-lasting lighting system, working with a professional ensures the job is done right from the start, leaving you with a well-lit and visually stunning outdoor space for years to come.